Rahul Gandhi, in my opinion, has been the one politician who has been targeted in the most vicious, with the maximum vehemence, and probably with the most brazen prejudice that I've ever seen. Congress is now saying, "Khel aapne shuru kiya hai, khel khatam hum karenge."
When the Prime Minister used words like mujra, how many people lost sleep? How many tweets happened? How many anchors, editors were dismayed at the language that the Prime Minister was using? Mr. Modi is not affected by this. I don't know why you guys dismayed. He is non-biological. It is biological people like you and me who get affected by taunts, who get affected by memes, who get affected by quotes. I do not need certificate from BJP stooges. I don't want a certificate from you either on whether the Rahul Gandhi has... आपने बोला अपने प्रधानमंत्री को कि मुजरा मत बोलिए, मंगलसूत्र जैसी घटिया बातें मत करिए. Don't talk about भैंस and toti and बिजली. You asked him on the K-shaped recovery. He said सबको गरीब बना दूं. Is that the answer of a so-called academician prime minister? सबको गरीब बना दूं. उन्होंने पूछा कौन राहुल? And all of you laughed vulgar. What are you talking about here?
Ready? Sound. Take 7. Action.
Supriya Shrinidhi, because she's one of the Congress leaders who's been leading this charge on Bail Buddhi. You know, this is the Prime Minister of the country we're talking about. And to have these kind of memes, you're mocking the Prime Minister, what justifies, is this the right thing to do, Supriya Shrinidhi? How do you explain, in a country that is the world's largest democracy, to have political attacks that get so downright dirty and personal?
हाँ बेटा, लगता है तुम गू खा के ही मानोगे.
I'm a practicing Hindu, and as a practicing Hindu, I go with my scriptures. My scriptures teach me, Shathe Shatyam Samacharet. जो जैसा करता है, उसको वैसी ही करनी भरनी पड़ेगी. Like in the Ramcharitmanas, जिन मोहे मारा, तिन मोहे मारा is what Lord Hanuman tells Ravan when he says, Lanka क्यों जलाई? उन्होंने कहा आपने मेरी यहाँ पूंछ में आग लगाई. I go with what the scriptures teach me. Mr. Narendra Modi, and because you started your program and, you know, twice or thrice there's been this mention of narrative and where is political discourse going? Absolutely. Political discourse has to be on joblessness, it has to be on high prices, it has to be on Manipur, it has to be on income inequality, it has to be on Bharuch railings that are falling apart because look at the number of unemployed youth that are turning up. There is no doubt about it. But if the BJP believes that they are going to come at us with words that are unparliamentary, with action that is unparliamentary, and we are going to sit there quiet, gone are those days. The BJP needs to be paid back in its own coin. And you are absolutely right. He is the Prime Minister of this country, an institution I greatly represent. A man who perhaps at his office needs to maintain the highest code of conduct as far as office and politics is concerned. Where was the Prime Minister, and why was the Prime Minister not questioned? He spoke 9 days before we put out these memes. It took us 9 days, and I'll tell you why we put those up. 9 days back, in the 7-minute long speech of Mr. Modi that India Today did show before the start of the program, he spoke about Balak Buddhi 8 times. Do you believe that's the right thing for the Prime Minister to do? We were speaking about the leader of the opposition. There were no eyebrows raised. There were no debates that happened. No hell broke loose. Yesterday, and we did not react on this because we know that Mr. Modi is given into वो उलझन बोल देते हैं, वो काफी बेवकूफी की बातें कर देते हैं. He's known to say these things. We did not react to that because we didn't think it was an issue. But if the BJP's official handles on Facebook, on Twitter, if they are going to put out similar posts calling Balak Buddhi and putting a picture of my leader, I will retort.
Okay, so
and I will retort and I will make them pay them back in their own
Okay,
kind.
so
And I will
hold
tell
that
you
thought. Hold
second.
that thought. Supriya,
One
you've
last
spoken
thing.
enough. You've spoken enough.
The problem with their posts is, Rahul, 1 second. No. Listen to me. The problem with the BJP is that their posts have no engagement because they make lazy, lethargic content. Their post had 2.6 thousand likes. Our post has 21,000 likes. That's the difference. So if you are going to come at us, be prepared for equal and more reaction that will come back to you. I will not let you malign my leadership or call words
Okay,
that are
let me
unparliamentary.
put that question to Geeta Bhatt. Geeta ji, the response from the Congress is that Jaisi karni vaisi bharni. You shall sow what you reap. You shall reap what you sow. And if you're going to attack the leader of the opposition saying he's Balak Buddhi, then the Congress will give it back in the same currency or worse. That's their argument. How do you look at the counter attack and the questions being asked about whether it is appropriate to call the leader of the opposition Balak Buddhi?
The point is that ever since in this Lok Sabha election, Congress party has got 99 seats and they have got, the legitimate leader of opposition space, which for the last 10 years they did not have, because they did not even have 10% of the 543 seats in the, in the parliament. They are trying to, look for opportunities where they can keep up, that conversation high that they are in a dominating position. And this whole idea of trying to put up this kind of ad by the Congress party and their supporters, it is something, you see, the point here is that when the Prime Minister speaks, there are, certain facts which are being presented with which he is trying to put forth that point. But when, you are trying to put forth an ad where you are trying to use a derogatory word, and that too, what is the context that is being put forth? For example, the context that is being put forth is that, pakoda, that it is someone who's trying to tell that, you can make money out of making pakodas. Is it something that is not happening in the country?
अबे तू मेरी तरफ है किसकी तरफ है?
And as far as it goes in terms of how many likes a post is getting, you see the algorithm and AI, they are what kind of, there's around it that how the, you get likes and reposts and the social media.
कोई सेंस है इस बात की?
Why go lower? Balak Buddhi is bad, Bail Buddhi is worse. He says, if the Congress truly wants to be different, raise the standard of discourse. Why sink it even further?
One of the most famous quotes that is applied very often in politics is, it takes two to tango. And let's be real here. The social media, Rahul, is an equalizer. And I remember for a long time, before 2014, when I had come formally on board of the Congress, we knew that the vilification campaign, the whole populification project against Rahul Gandhi would prove to be a huge social and a political cost for the Congress party, and it played out. Rahul Gandhi, in my opinion, and I say so with complete, shall we say, dispassionate observation, has been the one politician who has been targeted in the most vicious, with the maximum vehemence, and probably with the most brazen prejudice that I've ever seen. And it was not just the political ecosystem that went after him. I think the Congress and he have both paid a massive cost for that campaign of reputation damage and what I call is the harassment that he was subjected to on social media. Here is the point, and that we cannot ignore. The Congress is now saying, खेल आपने शुरू किया है, खेल खत्म हम करेंगे. खेल आपने शुरू किया है, खेल खत्म हम करेंगे. You see, at the end of the day, it's a competitive space for mindshare. And like it or not, it's a brutal space in politics because it's the last man standing.
No, but the fact is, Supriya, most of the times in the past when there have been these kind of personal attacks on the Prime Minister, he's turned it around, used the attack to his advantage. Whether it is Maut Ke Saudagar by Sonia Gandhi, there's a whole series of these kind of attacks. Each and every time he's able to counter-attack and use it to his advantage. So you're potentially playing a dangerous game where the BJP can use your attack for a counter-attack, and in the past the Prime Minister has been very successful at that.
So Rahul, I will first, I take cognizance of your question and I will answer that, but I will first respond to something that you said. You are deeply concerned and quote unquote at the gutter level discourse. Were you deeply concerned and did you do shows when the Prime Minister from
I just want to tell you we did do shows. We did do shows on Balak Buddhi.
Words like Mujra? No, please, 1 second. Let me please finish. I'm asking questions that are rhetorical. It's not for you. Please listen to me. When the Prime Minister used words like Mujra, how many people lost sleep? How many tweets happened? How many anchors, editors were dismayed at the language that the Prime Minister was using? How many people were dismayed, distraught and devastated when the Prime Minister used words like Mangal Sutra? When he said, "Aapki bhains chura le jayenge, aapka toti aur bijli kaat denge." I mean, the Prime Minister has reduced the discourse to an extent where he was calling Dr. Manmohan Singh Mon Mohan and raincoat pehan kar nahate hain. I am not even going what he called my former Congress President Mrs. Gandhi. I am not even going to the extent of reputation assassination that the BJP tried to do of Rahul Gandhi, and I'm all for it. I'm all for personal attacks here. Somebody will come here and say, I have shrill deployment. I don't care. I do a job and I put my might at doing it. And if that means that I am going to pay you back in your penny, I jolly well will. I did not misquote the Prime Minister, and I think the point that you are making is a valid point. But that point was valid about 5 years back. That point is no longer valid today. This ability of the Prime Minister to use what is thrown at him to his advantage, it's a lesson of history. It's no longer relevant. Mr. Modi was mercilessly attacked through the campaign of 2024. He has been brutally curtailed. This is what Mr. Modi said. Radar, बारिश हो रही थी तो radar नहीं देखेगा. He says, सर्दी नहीं बढ़ी है, हमारी उम्र बढ़ गई है. He says, नाले में पाइप लगाकर एक गैस बना लो, उससे आप चाय बना लो. This is not my statement. This is what Mr. Modi is saying. Mr. Modi is not affected by this. I don't know why you guys dismayed. He is non-biological. It is biological people like you and me who get affected by taunts, who get affected by memes, who get affected by quotes. He is non-biological, which is why the BJP is not here. And may I dare say, the supporters of the BJP do more harm to Mr. Modi than actually his detractors. I mean, somebody who's a professor pontificating here how the pakoda economics is so good. Really? You really want to say that when unemployment is at a 9-month high? I mean, my issue is that if you are going to throw barbs at others, please remember they will be thrown back.
Okay, let
शाबाश बेटा बहुत बढ़िया
Gita Bhatt respond to this point. When you throw darts come back at you. That's politics. She said, bring it on. She says she's willing to get down and dirty. She says, this is politics. Sanjay Jha said, let it be the last man standing. Ho jaye dangal.
Rahul ji, just to put forth here, I'm just reminded that how during the, I think, 2018 Rajasthan election, Rahul Gandhi ji had first time used for the Prime Minister, Chaukidar Chor hai. And he had to actually, in front of the Supreme Court, he had to give an explanation that this was actually a political jibe during the Rafale case, when, that there was, the propaganda was set up by the Congress party.
चल झूठा
Supriya ji is a very senior leader. She has her point of, opinion on everything, including me. That is her choice. We have seen, Rahul ji, that in the last 3 to 4 years, Prime Minister has been the most popular leader across the world, and this is a survey which has not been conducted neither by the government of India or any supporters of the political party, which is in power today.
मस्त जोक मारा रे.
YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. These are not actual voters. The Congress is just about 41% of the BJP strength in the Lok Sabha. He's saying, okay, you can win on YouTube. We are winning the elections. We are in power. You are in the opposition, and good luck to you.
So what is this show on? This show was on the two narratives. This show was on the two barbs. That's the first point. I am willing to talk on the two barbs, and I will also speak about the political narrative, because given the strength that you have everywhere, you were supposed to end at 400. So what? You could not even cross 240. Let me not get started there. Let's talk about the issue on hand. I don't want to sit here and give an explanation, because I don't think people here deserve that explanation. If they did, I would have given. My explanation is in the public domain. I do not need certificate from BJP stooges. But what I do want to say is, the Prime Minister is so popular. Why are people not hearing his speech? Because his speeches are repetitive. They are boring. He's saying the same goddamn thing that he was saying before the elections took off. And the reality is, he's not talking about the issues that matter. Rahul Gandhi is talking about unemployment. He is meeting laborers. He is meeting loco pilots. He is meeting Agniveer families. That is why he's gaining popularity, because he is talking about
you don't know
the
that
issues
yet.
that are reflecting on the
We
ground.
will know
as
if
well as
in
what is resonating on the
Maharashtra,
ground. And I want
Jharkhand,
to- one
Haryana, the
second,
BJP
Rahul.
loses, the opposition wins, then you can say that. Right now, we don't know. You are saying he's gained massive popularity. At this moment, there is no empirical evidence of that post the Lok Sabha election. I mean, he's gained relative to his base, yes, but he's gained to make him equal in stature to the Prime Minister. I mean, we could be far from that, but ultimately we'll have the Mood of the Nation poll coming out in August, which will give us some indication.
No, Rahul, I'll tell you what the problem here is, Rahul. I don't want a certificate from you either on whether the Rahul Gandhi has
I'm
gained
not giving
popularity
anyone a
or not.
certificate. I'm just
I think
stating
a
the
lot
data.
of metric has to be followed. If Rahul Gandhi's speeches are being watched by 10 lakh people and 70,000 people are watching Narendra Modi, there is a difference. Now you can say that's alternate reality, but that's a reality of narratives. That's a reality of who people want to hear. I do want to, however, say, this whole thing about how the Congress is taking pot shots and what I have done to this. The reality is that the same sermons had to be delivered to Narendra Modi, because he was in a constitutional position when he was speaking about Mujra. आपने बोला अपने प्रधानमंत्री को कि मुजरा मत बोलिए, मंगलसूत्र जैसी घटिया बातें मत करिए. Don't talk about भैंस and toti and bitch.
अब्बा नहीं मानेंगे.
Where did he take the discourse to it all through this election?
Okay.
The people in the
Now,
BJP
Rajat Sethi,
these women in the BJP
Rajat Sethi, respond to Supriya Shrinet's point that these are real people. Every speech on YouTube, every engagement or like on Instagram or X or Facebook, these are real people. पहले तो कोई नहीं देख रहा था. Now there are people who are watching. There is a turnaround. You can compare with the kind of responses these opposition leaders were getting in the past, the kind of engagement they're getting now. These are real people who are watching more than they were watching earlier. Rajat Sethi. Just one second, Supriya. Otherwise, we won't be able to have this conversation. Rajat Sethi.
See, Rahul, if you say that a comedy show has much higher views than an academician coming in and speaking, so the comedian show should be the comedian out there should be the Prime Minister of this country. What kind of a bizarre logic is that? Of course, you talk nonsense, then you will get more views. You talk things which make sense, you will have lesser views.
आप जो बोल रहे हैं आपके कान में जा रहा है? ऐसा तो नहीं, हम सुन रहे हैं.
That's how the trend of social media been. There is no two doubts about that. Today, if Rahul Gandhi is getting more views, where have you done the judgment that people are not there for their daily dose of entertainment? They want to see perhaps what entertainment he's going to serve on a platter every single day. That could be my interpretation. But
Yeah,
therefore,
let
let us
Supriya
not get
respond
into
that most of the
debate.
Prime Minister's speeches, the
Let us
vast
not
majority,
deal with
you're looking
debate.
at a few words, but the vast majority of his speeches thrust is on governance, development. He's in power, therefore he has to be responsible. Rahul Gandhi is in opposition, so he can throw more punches, and therefore that makes his speech more enjoyable for lay people to watch. Supriya.
I completely discredit your argument and what was said before this. It is bizarre and it's absolute nuisance and nonsensical to say that the leader of the opposition is doing comedy speeches and Narendra Modi is not. Forget about comedy. Let's have some comedy on your show this evening. मैं biological नहीं हूँ, मैं भगवान का अवतार हूँ. विज्ञान की ऐसी तैसी.
He didn't say मैं भगवान का अवतार हूँ. He didn't say मैं भगवान का अवतार हूँ.
This is fake news.
अरे आपके शो
Repeated at the
में
hit.
कहा, आपके शो में.
Fake news.
एक मिनट, Rahul Kanwar, I am asking you a question. You asked him on the K-shaped recovery. He said सबको गरीब बना दूं. Is that the answer of a so-called academician prime minister? सबको गरीब बना दूं. उन्होंने ये नहीं कहा सबको अमीर बना दूं. उन्होंने पूछा कौन राहुल? And all of you laughed vulgar. What are you talking about here?
हाँ भाई कैसी लगी आगे स्वाद
एक्स्ट्रा 2AB का एक फॉर्मूला ले आते हैं, पकौड़ा कर लेते हैं. 140 करोड़ देश में है लोग, 600 करोड़ मतदाता मिल जाते हैं. विवेकानंद, गुरु नानक और कबीर अलग अलग सदियों में पैदा हुए, उनको एक साथ बिठा के बात कराने लगते हैं. ईमेल और डिजिटल कैमरा आने से पहले ही वो यूज कर रहे थे. उनकी फोटोग्राफिक नहीं फोटोजेनिक मेमोरी होती है. वो परीक्षा पर चर्चा करते हैं, खुद कभी कोई परीक्षा नहीं दी है. द रियलिटी इज दैट द प्राइम मिनिस्टर हैज डन एंड सेड थिंग्स दैट मेक फॉर ग्रेट कॉमेडी. But that's not what we are here for. We are here to talk about governance, and the one moot difference between us and the Prime Minister is that it is not Rahul Gandhi who's saying the things that the Congress social media is saying, it is we who are saying it, and we want to say it. But it was Narendra Modi who started Balak Buddhi.
No, but
He needs to be
the problem,
paid back
Geeta
his
Bhatt,
money.
is-
We paid him back. You are willing to walk the talk on decency, on discourse, we are willing to walk it too. If you are not going to walk it, we are no saints. We are not
Geeta,
here
but
to
what we're
practice
seeing is
saints.
quite
We will
unprecedented. In
pay
the
you
last
back
10
your
years,
money.
खत्म.
शाबाश बेटा बहुत बढ़िया
क्या हुआ?
कुछ मुंह में घुसेड़ा उसके बाद गले को उधेड़ के नाक से बाहर निकाला उसके बाद मेरी बत्ती गुल हो गई.
अब बताइए मैं क्या करूंगा.
एक बहुत सिंपल सी टिप आपके साथ शेयर करती हूँ. अपने हाथ को इस तरीके से रखिए. इफ यू लुक एट दिस फ्रॉम योर साइड, आपका लेफ्ट हैंड आपको बी के जैसे दिखेगा और राइट हैंड आपको डी के जैसे दिखेगा. बी एंड डी. बी फॉर
थोड़ी मदद रखिए.
वे मैं थो तेरा मन पर